So we're here in Clovis, California, and we are on our third repair on this line. The first two, we got video documentation for those. And then, of course, this one here is out in the garage at the main junction boxes up here. The hot line loops around and comes down, goes back up the wall, right over here to the water heater. What we got going on right here, it's hard to see, but right there, you can see that's the water right there, spitting out. And let me see if I can get a better angle. So you've got two separate streams of water, one spraying back toward the back wall, one spraying toward the wood here. So that is defective. We're going to shut it down so we don't get too much more water in here. You can see all the damage that's caused down here to the sheetrock. There's probably mold in the wall, it needs to be remediated, water and whatnot. But we're going to get this replaced for the homeowner. We don't see anything up higher, so we're just going to take it down somewhere about here, cut it, get a new piece of pipe in there. We're going to use a different manufacturer in there and get it tied back in, get their water on. Outside of that, we'll take another video when we're done. So we're buttoned up here in Clovis, California. We did go ahead and replace the Nebco piping. That's the red piping there. The homeowner has the two pieces. Only one of them has the leak in it, and it was leaking about right here, and it was spraying down. We got a video of that, and we'll look at that later and see if I can identify by the labeling which piece it was exactly. Otherwise, you can certainly send them both to the manufacturer. But I believe you got a claim here. You had 3 leaks in less than a year, and it's defective piping. So between the builder or maybe they're not involved, a homeowner's insurance, or at least the manufacturer of this should be involved. Not only do you have trouble there, and let me just take a picture of the piping to make sure that we're good on our installation. These are shark bite fittings, and so those are approved by code. Just slides in, stainless steel teeth in there, grabs on, doesn't let go. So we're good in here. Monitor this for water. You shouldn't have any trouble with it. Same thing on this side, a little shark bite fitting. So again, monitor that. And I'm going to dry this one off again and see, because I see some water right here. So I'm going to dry this off and take a look again, make sure there's not a problem right there. Up here, you can see multiple valves dripping, and that's going to be a repair. So this one up top, dripping. This one here may or may not be dripping, and this could be dripping down on it, I don't know. But you got a lot of scale and corrosion, and at least these first 4 shut-off valves, so I can get that addressed. So we'll take a look at this other little part right now and make sure that it's good. Outside of that, this installation is done.